Buenas tardes, yo soy Dominick Lavelle, el abogado. We'd like to welcome you today, and this afternoon or this evening we're going to make a presentation about what papers do you sign when we start your case. And many times people have problems with that. They say, what are all those papers? I don't want to sign them. Every paper you sign is important, and we're going to explain exactly what they are. And you have to have confidence in us. We know exactly what we're doing to help you with your case. Thank you very much, and muchas gracias.
Hola, yo soy Iris, la gerente de la oficina, and this is Nosotros en USA, and we are the Lavelle firm here to talk about what we do when a new case comes into our law firm.
Buenas, mi nombre es Carla y somos de la oficina Lavelle. Estamos en Nosotros en USA y estamos en un segmento a donde nosotros vamos a hablar en lo que hacemos cuando tenemos un nuevo caso.
Hola, yo me llamo Heather y yo soy la asistente legal.
Okay, so when a new case comes into the law firm, we have a procedure to do to interview the new case, and we have special forms that we fill out and certain applications that we use to enable us to develop the case.
Cuando nosotros tenemos un nuevo cliente, nosotros tenemos una aplicación que usamos para entrevistar al cliente y preguntarle preguntas específicas para en lo que sucedió en el accidente.
Okay, this is our interview questionnaire. When a client comes into the office, we need basic information. How to spell your name, where do you live, your date of birth, the 4 last digits of your social. We prefer the whole thing, but it's certainly confidential. The date of the accident, the time, the location, what kind of an accident is it? Is it an auto accident? Did the ceiling fall on your head? Was it a trip and fall down the steps or on a sidewalk?
Okay, so este es el cuestionario que nosotros usamos para entrevistar al cliente. Comenzamos con la fecha de la entrevista y también comenzamos con información básica, por ejemplo, el nombre, la dirección, el número de teléfono y el número social, pero así como nosotros hablamos antes, no es necesario tener un Social Security Number para poder comenzar su caso. Y también necesitamos información sobre qué fue lo que pasó en el accidente, por ejemplo, si se cayó una acera o era un accidente de auto.
We need to know what your injuries are. If you went to a hospital, if an ambulance took you there. We need to know the address of the location if it's a trip and fall, so we could identify the owner of the building. We need to know if the police came to the scene and if you filled out a report. There are so many things we need to know, and all this comes out on these forms, okay? That's the first thing we do. Secondly, Heather, please hold this. Thank you. We have what's called a power of attorney. It's a form that we ask you to sign because our managing attorney, Emily Lavelle, has to be given the rights to allow us to get all the records. You may go to a hospital. You may go to a therapy doctor. You may have all kinds of medical tests. We need the records.
Ok, so nosotros también necesitamos saber si usted fue a un hospital, si lo llevaron las ambulancias y necesitamos saber a dónde fue que usted fue al hospital porque necesitamos esos records médicos. También necesitamos saber, por ejemplo, si usted se cayó en una acera, la locación de a dónde se cayó o en la calle donde usted tuvo el accidente del carro. También es muy importante que firmamos el poder de representación, que esto nos ayuda a obtener sus records médicos cuando ya es tiempo para obtenerlos.
And all you have to do is sign the form.
Y lo único que tiene que hacer usted es firmar nuestra forma.
Next we have, if you are involved in a car accident, in each state there are applications that we need you to fill out and sign. We fill out every application. All you have to do is sign it. And we get you medical benefits. Now in New York State, it's up to $50,000 in coverage. So it could be doctors, hospitals,
Really?
surgeries, oh yeah, surgeries, testing, it's all there. We make the claim for you, all you do is sign. Take it, baby.
Ok, nuestra próxima hoja es para las personas que han tenido accidente de auto. a donde este formulario nos va a ayudar para que usted pueda recibir beneficios médicos. En el estado de Nueva York tenemos hasta $50,000 de beneficios de médico.
Okay, and the main thing is our retainer. It's a lot of words, it's a lot of pages. It basically says you sign it, the firm represents you, you have an attorney, we make all your claims for you, we negotiate the case, we'll put it in a lawsuit, and we're ready to roll. You just sign.
Y esta última hoja nos da el poder para representarlo a usted como abogados. Este formulario nos deja controlar su caso en lo que más podemos.
Okay. The lawyer's fee is 1/3, and you don't pay anything up front. If we get you money, the lawyer gets 1/3 of the total, and you get 2/3. If we don't get you any money, you don't owe us any money. And that's how that works on this retainer. Now, here is an application for benefits. Another application. We fill out all the information, you just sign. And basically, that's for a car accident case. So if you're involved in a car accident case and there's no insurance, or if the other vehicle does not have enough insurance coverage, this entitles you to get more. So it's important that you sign this form as well.
Ok. Antes que usted firme, es muy importante que sepa que el abogado no le cobra nada hasta cuando ya el caso se termine. Es muy importante que usted sepa que el abogado solo recibe el 3% del caso, el resto es suyo. Y es muy importante saber que en esta hoja, esto nos ayuda a conseguir más beneficios para el caso suyo.
Heather is picking up a special form. It's called a Notice of Claim. This document is very important. We use it for every county, municipality, authority, in order to get your claim done with the City of New York, the County of New York, County of Queens, Bronx, any county case where there's a fall on a sidewalk. If you were involved in a city bus accident or a subway accident, this is the form you have to sign, and we fill out the application.
Okay. So, en este formulario es muy importante que usted lo firme porque esto nos da el poder para hacer su clamo contra la ciudad, por ejemplo, si es con la ciudad, o también nos hace ayudar a hacer el reclamo hasta con los condones que tenemos en Nueva York.
This is the city notice of claim. If you have a case against the Department of Education, the Transit Authority, the City of New York, any municipality or authority, you got to come to us before 90 days. If this paper is not filed within 90 days, you don't have a case, period.
Es muy importante que sepa que solo tiene 90 días para hacer un reclamo y es muy importante que puedan firmar este papel porque este papel nos ayuda a hacer el reclamo antes de los 90 días.
You hold this. This is an MV-104. If you're the driver or the owner of the vehicle in the accident, you just sign the form, we fill it out for you, and we send it up to Albany to make sure that you're covered. Look, the purpose of this hearing today is to let you know that some people come to us and they're afraid to sign papers. We let you know what every piece of paper is about, and it's only to help you to develop your case. You'll only have to sign these papers once, okay? And then we take care of the rest. This ends our segment, and I hope you have a great day. And llámame. Llámame. 800-745-4878. Llámame.
Bye.
Adios.